Maybe I could get you in here in the summer. In the winter, you don't have to share it with snakes. That's ice creaking. It's not precarious, though. It's fine. Look at the view. It does get pretty narrow at the opening. I'm surprised the camera's picking up so well in here. There's a lot of light coming in. That's pretty neat. I think the ground must have washed out a little bit more, because I know I've looked in here before, but it looked like it would, like I'd have to slide in on my belly. And it definitely didn't look like there was room to squat and sit back here comfortably. That's pretty cool. And all the icicles coming down. That's pretty typical around here. I see some neat formations back there. I might try to get some pictures of them. It reminds me of the Fortress of Solitude.